But what I really found worked for me with Multiplymii was my hand was held the whole way through the recruitment phase. So when I worked with, I think, Kat at the time, she gave me the questions to ask, the candidate. She kind of coached me through those calls early on, and the other great thing about that was she was a sounding board. So we would have the interview. I could come back and say, this is what I felt. How did you feel? And so I got some really valuable feedback. And even just coming back to where in the process of hiring now is, we get to have bounce those ideas. Who do you think's a better culture fit for us? This is what we're kind of looking for. So I think just having that there is really important, and I feel that that's kind of held us in good stead for our hires. I think every month or every quarter we have a quarterly review. So I'm given a bunch of questions from our account manager. I'm able to give particular feedback to say, I'd still love to see you be, do this and that. And as a business owner, you kind of, you got spinning plates every day, and the last thing you also want to have on your mind is the HR component. So if they have a problem, or they want to raise a concern, or they want to take a day off, I don't hear anything about it until it's decision time. My job is now just win more clients. When we hit that threshold, come back to you guys and say, hey, we need another hire. Just the scalability of this business now. My old business, just as hard as I worked and as much effort as I put into that, I just feel it's just not as scalable, knowing that I've got this team that I can rely on in the Philippines. And it's not even the team, it's kind of what I've been saying about, building the systems and process and all that behind it that I probably wouldn't have built for the old business. So I feel that's pretty much the key to success in working with you guys.